Natural therapies in naturopathic medicine. Introduction. Natural and non-invasive therapies are integral components of naturopathic medicine, focusing on the body's energy systems to promote healing and wellness. In this educational module, we will explore various therapeutic modalities, including Rife therapy, far-infrared therapy, cryotherapy, and energetic mud packing. By understanding the origins, uses, and applications of these therapies, naturopathic practitioners can enhance their ability to support their patients' health holistically. Rife therapy. Rife therapy, named after inventor Royal Raymond Rife, utilizes electromagnetic frequencies to target pathogens and promote cellular healing. Rife machines emit specific frequencies to resonate with pathogens' vibrational frequencies, disrupting their function and supporting immune response. This non-invasive therapy has been used to address various health conditions, including infections, chronic pain, and autoimmune disorders. Far-infrared therapy. Far-infrared therapy harnesses the therapeutic benefits of infrared radiation to promote detoxification, circulation, and cellular repair. Far-infrared saunas, mats, and wraps emit gentle heat waves that penetrate deep into tissues, stimulating sweat production and facilitating cryotherapy. Cryotherapy involves exposing the body to extremely cold temperatures for short periods to trigger physiological responses that promote healing and recovery. Whole-body cryotherapy chambers, cryofacials, and localized cryotherapy applications are utilized to reduce inflammation, boost metabolism, and enhance athletic performance. This modality is popular among athletes and individuals seeking natural pain relief and rejuvenation. Energetic mud packing. Energetic mud packing combines the therapeutic properties of mud with energetic principles to support detoxification, relaxation, and tissue regeneration. Mud packs are applied to specific areas of the body to draw out toxins, nourish the skin, and balance energy flow. This ancient healing practice is believed to stimulate circulation, relieve pain, and promote overall vitality. Conclusion. Therapies such as Rife therapy, cryotherapy, and energetic mud packing offer valuable tools for naturopathic practitioners to support their patients' health on physical, energetic, and biochemical levels. By integrating these modalities into practice, practitioners can address underlying imbalances, facilitate healing, and promote holistic wellness. Understanding the origins, uses, and applications of these therapies empowers practitioners to enhance their diagnostic capabilities.